Good morning, everybody. We are back in Vancouver, gearing up to head down south to the States, and we thought today would be a chore day because, well, the van looks like this. Yep. You know it's bad when like there's pants under the pillows, bathing suits on the bed, little random pieces of garlic on the floor.
That garlic's staying there.
He's been there for like 3 days. Every time I pick this garlic up, I put it up there into the hammock and it must just go flying right out. Good morning, best buddy. Are you surprised to see us here?
I'm a runner.
You're a runner now.
I'm a runner.
You went for one run last night?
Yeah.
Every other week or so, he decides he's gonna get in the best shape of his life, and he takes these before photos. So I have all these photos on your phone. There's probably hundreds of before photos, and he stands.
Does anybody else have the same problem?
Give me your phone.
No.
Come on, I have to show them
No,
one.
I'm not showing them.
But it's so funny because you stand so like this, like.
I'm not showing them until I have an after photo.
Okay, we're gonna show you guys when he's got the after photo. But yes, for today, we're gonna bring you guys along because yes, we live in this van and sometimes it gets a little crazy. And today is just one of those days to clean up your life.
I'm gonna have some cereal.
Also, this light is just like, this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. It's not just laundry and stuff, it's about this light that we installed.
This light is brutal.
That is brutal and doesn't stay up. See? That's our light strip. Hanging. Dishes. We need water. We need the whole kit and caboodle. Should we get going? Should we get going?
Yeah!
First task of the day. Pulling out the laundry. So, this is the secret place where the elves come and pick up the laundry. Hey, boo?
I'm mind blown that that's our #1 question. Mind blown. But we're gonna answer it for you today, so don't worry.
So yeah, we're really thankful that when we, whoa.
It's not too bad.
That's a lot of black and white. That's because it's not everything.
Where's everything?
See? Exactly. Then you go around the van picking up this.
Is this dirty? No,
Yeah, exact. Wow, you've never done laundry and you still know that. Oh, I just stepped on the garlic.
So if you guys want to join me on the new running movement, I'm going to link my Strava below, which apparently is a running app. I don't have it yet. And you can join the crew and watch me do these hardcore 2, 3, 4Ks. Starting just with time. Apparently that's how you start running. I watched Casey's video on it. And would love to have your support. So we'll see you on Strava.
We've been doing lots of hiking lately, so these are the hiking socks. I almost feel like they can't go in that bag. They smell that bad.
Yeah, I don't know what you're supposed to do with hiking socks living in a van.
I think they have to go in their own separate dankness.
Ugh, I can smell from here.
I know, they're gnarly. You sure there's nothing that needs washing in this, babe?
I can have another look.
I'd have.
I made you cereal.
You made me cereal?
Yep.
Thank you, Bill. I wasn't going to turn the camera on my face because I put some turmeric stuff on my spots, but can you guys see all that?
I think we're good. We've had a closer look.
Buddy, you literally just went like this.
Yeah, but I know what's in there.
Your bathing suits don't need washing. This big sweater, that green shirt is clean.
Yep. Yep. So, white load #1 has been set. Dark load #2 has been set.
No, it's just one in each.
What's all this?
It's all one in. Just gotta find out where it's going. I like to untwist my socks.
Any other tips you got for them?
I'm probably doing it wrong, don't watch me. The laundry is a-cooking. I've got it all in the dryer now. And Eamon and I have been working in this cafe, which is just across from the laundromat. And I thought because the dryer's almost done, I would clean up the inside of the van. I really don't know how much of this is boring to you guys and how much of it is kind of like, oh, I didn't know how you did that. So I was gonna show you where we throw out our garbage. Basically just in public garbages. We've got garbage and I'll throw it out. Timer for the dryer just went off, so let's go check on the clothing. It stopped. literally owns 300 pairs of underwear. No t-shirts, no nothing, just 300 pairs of underwear. Oh. The kind lady working there was nice enough to loan me her basket. So we're doing 2 loads, hopefully only. Time to get this into the cupboard. I don't know how to say this in Fahrenheit, but it is 33 degrees here in Vancouver. And being in the city when it's hot is a whole other ball game, people. Anyways, thought I'd show you quickly my organization or not so organized thing. This little guy is all my undies. Eamon built that for me and I super love it. This is normally all my tanks, so I try to roll them up, but you can tell everything was really in the wash. So all these tanks will go in here. This is normally just like bathing suits and my like onesies, pantsuit type things. And then obviously this is all disaster, but pants normally go here, shorts, tops. Oh my god, you scared me so hard. God, I spooked so easy. The door was open and everything and I turned around and he freaking spooked me. You spooked me. Did you order some lunch for us?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And then where are we headed?
Portland, Oregon!
Are you so excited?
I'm really hopping out of my seat for this one.
You don't normally get that amped on places.
I don't think you know how sick Portland is.
No, I don't.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool because you're not expecting anything and I think you're gonna be blown away.
Yes, exactly. I love when I travel places and I have no expectation. It's something I learned really early on in travel, was I would see something or watch a video or see an Instagram photo and think, oh my gosh, that place looks amazing. I want to go do that exact thing. And then you almost get disappointed when it's not that exact thing. Whereas if you have no expectations and you go in just with a super open mind, which is what I've done basically for the last 5 years, everything is awesome. So no expectations, Portland, but you better be awesome. So that's what the drawers look like when they are nice and packed. I've actually done an entire wardrobe tour, so I'll link that here and you guys can go check that out. Because I think I'm done with clothing and laundry and all that kind of stuff, and I'm sure you're bored of it.
The line to get into America has been a lot bigger than, I guess, usual. We've been sitting in line for probably an hour, right?
At least, yeah, we listened to an entire podcast. Mel, I'm next in line. Can I call you right back? Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna go see agriculture inside. Okay?
Sure.
Always a pleasure coming to your country, America. You really know how to make a guy feel special. I left my bag here, which is a rookie mistake, and I went back to get it, and the guy was like, such a dick about it. He got all excited and told me to step away from my vehicle and go back inside right now. And Becca ran into a lovely person who didn't give her that hard of a time, so it wasn't a big deal. It was maybe 15 minutes.
They took our lemon and our green onion.
Buddy's upset they took our lemon and green onion.
So with our border crossing delay, we realized that we were coming into Seattle at about 3:30, 4 o'clock, which equals tons and tons of traffic. So instead we've stopped just north of the city in Everett, and we're gonna go to a little coffee shop that Christian and Aubrey have brought us to before. Just vlogging through an intersection is a little awkward, but is that guy laughing at me?
Iced oat milk lattes?
Definitely. Do you want to do a 12 or 16?
Thank you. Really appreciate it. We've decided that we're gonna head to Seattle.
Got our priorities straight.
Food is number one.
Yeah, veggie girl.
But a big thing that we don't have at the moment is water. So we're gonna keep our eyes peeled for a place, a hose, something to fill up. And I know I was supposed to kind of show you chores and things like that, but you know, chores just get pushed to the side. I don't have any dish soap. Life's a mess.
One, roasted broccoli.
Hot chicken sandwich. Day 2 of chores. To be honest, we were really lazy with our chores yesterday, which is why we need to do a day 2. We have no water, and we had no soap.
Such a gamble when you're trying to fill up something that you can't see, especially the soap thing, and then if you put this in, it overflows, but I'm usually, oh no.
Overflow? We just restocked on some Dr. Bronner, so we use that for our dishes and for washing our face at night. Ooh. Okay, Now we just need water.
It's always a surprise where you're gonna find it.
So we've had a chance to go to the gym. We got showered up.
How do you feel when you go to the gym?
Wow. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. We've been driving and driving and driving, and we cannot find a hose anywhere.
There is like a storefront to this, so I'm just gonna knock and see if it's cool. No dice, it's off, and no one's there.
Shoot.
Keep rolling.
Rolling.
Yeah.
Keep it rolling.
I love caffeine. The pharmacy. Say, hey bro, can I borrow your hose?
Okay. Good luck. Where did he go? I think it's closed. Looks like he might have made a friend.
A great success. Our boys are very nice, and now I smell like a marijuana. Oh, fresh water.
I'm pretty stoked. I hope this video has helped answer some of your everyday questions about van life. The chores that we do are the exact same chores that we would do if we were living in an apartment, but maybe it's not always as convenient. We don't just have running water. So I get where those questions come from, but I think my answer is always just put yourself in the scenario of being on a road trip and what would you do to get those things, and it's probably the answer that we would give you. Anything else to add, my love?
From the outside of the pharmacy weed shop in Oregon, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time. Peace, love, happiness.
I don't know why I turned on this straight. This is not even a straight.
This is just a wee little end screen to show you how lovely our home is when it's all clean. We've got water, we've got soap. We just had hot chocolates. The house is so cute. Makes me love it so much. It's like a little chilly outside. The beach is right there. Kisses.
Kisses on the lips.